you will never make friends. You're just gonna keep wishing you had a good social life, wishing that you had people around you who understood you, who you could experience wonderful things with. But you'll never make friends, at least you never will, if all you do is consume information about how to make friends and complain about the fact that you don't have a social life. And the worst is when you put the blame on society or other people, thinking that it's other people's fault. You'll never make friends. If you do that, if you do all that, you're done. It's very unlikely, okay? But if you actually take action, you got a shot at it. More than a shot. Like, it's way easier than you think to make friends, all right? Now, if you've watched a few of my videos, you're probably not that kind of negative person who's putting the blame on everyone else, okay? And you're on your way there, and hopefully I've been helping you. And I think, in your case, watching a bunch of videos, reading my newsletter, it can help you, give you that push. At least I hope so. I've had some very positive comments about that. But in a lot of cases, I think you also need something else to really push you toward action, okay? And that's why I built this friendship builder. It's a free thing you can download, and basically it's a way to keep track of the people you meet. It's a way to challenge you to meet more people, to talk to strangers, and also to create meaningful friendships and deepen those friendships and get better at conversation, etc. And really, it's about getting out of your comfort zone and taking massive action, okay? That's why I built it. So there's a link for it in the description. You don't have to use it. Maybe you're already putting yourself out there, talking to strangers, making friends, then that's awesome. But if you feel like you could be doing more, you should either download that or find another way to push yourself to do this, to meet more people and make friends. Maybe find an accountability buddy, someone who's also trying to make more friends that you could, just talk with. Even better if it's in your city, you can go out together, make friends together. But what I'm really encouraging you to do, whether you download my free document there or not, is to actually build habits that push you toward action. All right? And then keep watching my videos and reading my newsletter, obviously. But yeah, this is just a reminder to actually do the thing.